Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be on our new build. It's not the build I wanted to do, to be fair. I didn't expect to be doing this neither, so I'll take you around it and then I'll explain to you why we're doing this today. So here it is. So it's a 2018 Ford Focus ST line, and it's had a bang here on the front corner. It's not been hit too heavy, but this was not my car. This is actually my 19-year-old son's car. A couple of weeks ago we got involved in an accident and his car was totaled by the insurance company. So this is going to be his new car basically. So we're going to be building that today. Hopefully get it done in this video. So take you around his new car now and show you the damages on it. So this is it. It's a 2018 Ford Focus ST line. It's pretty similar to what he had prior. He had the older shape, which was the Z-Tech S version, on a 2014. He loved that car and he was devastated the insurance company wrote it off, but it's a little bit of a scrape here on the quarter panel, which is all repairable. Same with the door handle, a little bit here on the door as well, and this door handle. Wing mirror's been caught, that's been cracked, so we've got a replacement one of those. But the main damage is here. So obviously the wing needs replacing. The ECU casing has all been smashed. We do have a replacement one of those. Headlights all been smashed as well. Crash bar, that's been caught and damaged, so we've got a replacement one of those. And then the bonnet, it has been caught but it's savable, so it's been a little bit there and a little bit here on the front. I think we can straighten that out, sand it down, a little skim of filler over the top, and I think that'll be fine. And then obviously the front bumper. So damages aren't too bad, but we'll get stripping it down now and get replacing the new parts. Hopefully we'll have it all done in this one video. So we'll get the car up on jack stands now, get the front wheels off, get the inner wheel arches off, and then start stripping everything back and get all the damaged parts off it. So I'll put you on a time lapse now and get that all took off. Right, that's it up on jack stands now. Wheels are off. I've whipped the inner liner off here. Look, so no more damage, which is good. It's just a wing. See the ECU casing there, it's just smashed a bit. So we'll carry on stripping it back and get the new parts on. Right, so I think I've got everything disconnected now. So the radiator bracket, all these wires now, they're all disconnected from the crash bar. The main slant panel as well, that's disconnected. Same here, got the washer bottle and the horn disconnected. So it's just a matter now of unbolt these bolts there. There's 4 on that side and 4 on this side. So if we unbolt them, and then hopefully that crash bar can come out all at one and then just replace it with the new one. So we'll get that unbolted now. I'll have to come back to that one in a minute. And on this side, we can get in here. No. Come back to that one. And then there's a couple right under here, so I have to squeeze in there. These ones we have to do manually. Too tight to get the gun in there, so. Right, it's only when I've just been getting ready to get the crash bar off, I've actually just noticed the slant panel's damaged. Believe it or not, as you can see, there's a big massive piece missing from here. That goes there today. parts are holding the headlight in. That's what should be there. Don't know how I've missed it, but yeah, completely missed that. So get one of them on order now, and I also need the bumper clip that sits on here. You see it's all smashed. So I'll get one of them on order as well. But it shouldn't stop us getting building the rest of the car up and hopefully getting her on the road today. So let's crack on. That's everything all on now. ECU box is in now as well. Right, now that the slant panel's on, sorry, the crash bar's on, we'll move on to the wing now. So it's just a couple of 10mm bolts here, and there's one here as well, there, one there, couple along the top here, and then I think there's two here as well. So we'll get the wing swapped out now, and then yeah, making ways with it. Saved it without damaging the clip. Change that badge over, red on the other wing. Got to get the headlights on now, wings on, put the little ductings on, it's a little bit bent up but it'll be fine. So yeah, we'll get the headlights on now, and then this one obviously it will have to come off because I've got one of these now on order, and then I'll see how the bumper fits up without the little catch. It probably won't sit in properly, but until the bracket comes for it, it'll be good enough for him to drive around in, because at the moment he's got no car. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see. That wing that I got off eBay, typical eBay part. I've definitely got a little kink in it there, a little dent there or something. Yeah. See when the bumper and the headlight goes on. Need that slant panel majorly. It's knocking all the gaps out. Big gap here, small gap. Bumper obviously needs the bracket there. And obviously you need to fix that headlight. You'll be able to drive it round for a couple of days until the parts come. But yeah, okay, day 2. I was going to leave the video there, but I've managed to source the parts at a local breaker. So I've got the bumper bracket and then a new slant panel there. So we'll get this stripped back now, get the bumper off, put the new slant panel on. I've got to do a little repair on the headlight here as well. So I'm going to do a little bit of plastic welding there. And I'm going to swap the bottom grill out as well. See this? It's all scratched. And there's a big scratch there on it as well. So I'm going to swap all the bottom of that out with the original bumper because actually it's in better condition. So yeah, get everything set up now and we'll get this off and get it all swapped over. I might do a part 2 on it. I do have to do some painting and stuff like that, so I probably will do a part 2 and it'll be straightening everything out. Obviously painting everything as well, setting all the gaps. Anyway guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Please remember to like and subscribe.